Guys, what's up? I'm back with a new video, and this time I'm gonna compare Biotic Bio Mountain Ebony Hair Serum with the Listerine mouthwash. Yeah, you heard it right. Although these two products are not belong from the same category, but the claims that Biotic Bio Mountain Ebony Hair Serum makes are fulfilled by the Listerine mouthwash. I know that you guys are probably thinking that she has gone mad. Yes, I'm mad. But wait, not in this case. If you know about Farah Dhuka's Listerine mouthwash hack, then you definitely know how magically it works for hair. And if you don't know about this hack and want to know, then keep on watching. There was a time, guys, when I was suffering from dandruff and rashes on my scalp, and I almost tried everything out there. Even I went to doctor and used medicated shampoos and lotions, but nothing worked. And one day I came across Farah Dhuka's Listerine hack. Although I don't like her hack so much, but I did some research on Listerine and tried this hack, and it works for my hair as magic. I just blessed her from core of my heart for this hack. And if you want to watch her video, you can go to her channel and search for the video and watch. I don't link her video here because you know nowadays the policies of YouTube are changed, and there is so much restriction. And also personally, I don't like to put anyone's thing without their consent. So yeah, I don't link her video here. Now the first thing first, let's talk about the packaging and the details of the products. This is the Biotic Bio Mountain Ebony Hair Serum, which comes in a cardboard packaging with all the details printed on it. The box sealed with a sticker like this. Again, all the details are printed on the bottle also. The bottle is quite sturdy. It costs 185 rupees for 120 ml product. It has 3 years of shelf life. Here you can see the ingredient list. Although the how to use says to apply a small amount to dry scalp, but I dilute it with water and then apply because I don't like to put any hair product without dilute it with water. I just put some of this hair serum in this spray bottle. This spray bottle is the empty bottle of Sri Sri Ayurveda rose water, and then I dilute it with some water and spray it all over my scalp. The Listerine mouthwash comes in various sizes, like the one that is 250 ml cost around 115 rupees, and then the another that is 80 ml cost around 50 rupees, and the other sizes are also available there, and it comes in other variants too. I put the details and the buy links in the description box below. And here is the ingredient list. It has a shelf life of 3 years. I use it in the same procedure I use the Biotic Bio hair serum. Sometimes I keep them overnight and sometimes I just put them for some hours before taking bath. I heard about Biotic Bio Mountain Ebony Hair Serum a lot, and I just wanted to try it out, so I put my hands on it. The Biotic Bio Mountain Ebony Hair Serum works for me as a relaxing hair serum, nothing more than that. I didn't notice any visible change on my hair in terms of new hair growth or hair fall or anything else. It has an aroma which is quite pleasant to me, so when I put it on my scalp, I feel relaxed. I definitely not going to repurchase this product. Now on the other hand, the Listerine mouthwash, which is a mouth care product but the most relaxing product I ever put on my scalp. It fights with bacteria as it is antibacterial, and when you take a bath after applying this, you feel like your scalp is cleaned than ever. You can feel the freshness, you can actually feel the lightness on your scalp, you can feel the healthiness of your hair, and the most interesting thing, it fights with dandruff like hell but doesn't dry out your hair at all. Instead, it makes your hair soft, healthy and shiny. So yeah, I have been recommending this product to everyone since I used this and got the results, and as it helped me out a lot to fight with my bad hair condition, I thought to share this hack with you guys too. But yes, of course, do a patch test before you use both the product. I hope you liked my video. If you did, subscribe to my channel, and if you have already subscribed, then thank you. And if you want to follow me on my social medias, the handles are in the description box. If you try out any of this product, let me know in the comment box below how they work for you. Now stop rumbling and taking my leave. See you in my next video. Bye bye.